Have you ever wondered what our world will look like in just a few years? Specifically, by 2026. The pace of change is accelerating, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. It's not just science fiction anymore, it's reshaping our jobs, our industries, and yes, our wealth. Today, we're going to dive deep into what the AI-driven economy of 2026 might look like and, more importantly, how you can position yourself not just to survive, but to thrive. This isn't about fear, it's about opportunity. By understanding the shifts, we can future-proof our finances and build lasting wealth. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started on your financial roadmap to 2026. First, let's set the scene. Experts predict that by 2026, AI will be seamlessly integrated into countless aspects of our daily lives and the economy. Think about it. AI is already recommending what we watch, what we buy, and even the fastest route to work. But this is just the beginning. We're talking about AI-powered drug discovery, automated supply chains, hyper-personalized education, and even AI co-pilots in creative fields like writing and design. The economic impact will be massive. Some jobs will become obsolete, but many new ones we can't even fully imagine yet, will be created. The key isn't to be afraid of automation, but to understand where the value is shifting. The value will shift from repetitive, manual tasks to skills that complement AI, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. This is the new economic landscape we need to prepare for. So, what does this mean for your career and income? Let's break it down. The first step to future-proofing your wealth is future-proofing your skills. The concept of lifelong learning has never been more critical. Instead of viewing your education as a one-time event, think of it as a continuous subscription. What skills will be in high demand? First, anything related to AI itself, machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI ethicists. If you have a knack for tech, this is your gold rush, but you don't have to become a coder. The second category is what I call human-centric roles. These are jobs that require deep empathy, communication, and leadership. Think specialized therapists, executive coaches, and expert negotiators. AI can analyze data, but it can't replicate genuine human connection. The third area is skilled trades that require physical dexterity and on-the-spot problem-solving, like specialized electricians for automated systems or advanced robotics maintenance technicians. The bottom line is this: identify which category you fit into and start upskilling now. Online courses, certifications, and workshops are more accessible than ever. Don't wait for your job to be disrupted. Become the disruptor in your own career. Now, let's talk about investing. The stock market will undoubtedly reflect this AI revolution. So, how do you invest for an AI-driven future? It's not about blindly throwing money at any company with AI in its name. It's about strategic, informed investing. Let's look at three key areas. First, the picks and shovels. During a gold rush, the people who made the most consistent money were those selling the picks and shovels. In the AI gold rush, this means investing in the companies building the fundamental infrastructure. We're talking about semiconductor manufacturers that create the powerful chips AI needs, cloud computing giants that provide the processing power, and cybersecurity firms that protect all this valuable data. These are the backbone of the AI economy. Second, look for companies that are effectively integrating AI to create a competitive advantage. This could be a retail company using AI to perfect its supply chain and reduce waste, or a healthcare firm using AI to accelerate drug trials. Look at their earnings reports. Listen to their investor calls. Are they just talking about AI, or are they showing real, measurable results from its implementation? That's the key difference. Third, and this is a big one, don't forget about diversification through AI-powered ETFs. Exchange-traded funds focused on AI and robotics can be a great way to get broad exposure to the sector without having to pick individual winners. These funds often hold a basket of companies, from the big players to innovative startups, spreading your risk. But remember, the golden rule of investing still applies. Do your own research. Understand what the ETF holds, its expense ratio, and its investment philosophy. AI in a magic wand for guaranteed returns. It's a powerful trend that, with a smart strategy, can significantly enhance your portfolio's growth potential. The goal is to be an investor in the revolution, not a bystander. By thinking in terms of infrastructure, application, and diversification, you can build a robust investment portfolio that's ready for the economic shifts of 2026 and beyond. Beyond your career and stock portfolio, there's another crucial asset to consider: your personal brand and potential side hustles. In an AI-driven world, individuality and unique human skills become more valuable. This is where building a personal brand comes in. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge do you have? Start sharing it. Whether it's through a blog, a podcast, or a social media channel, you can build an audience and establish yourself as an expert in a niche. AI tools can actually help you with this. Use AI to generate content ideas, edit your videos, or analyze what your audience responds to. You're using the technology to amplify your unique human voice, not replace it. This can open up new income streams you hadn't considered, like consulting, digital products, or sponsorships. Think of it as your personal economic safety net. Even a small side income can provide immense financial and psychological security. In the economy of 2026, the people who have multiple income streams, anchored by a strong personal brand, will be the most resilient. Don't just be a consumer of content, become a creator. Your unique perspective is a valuable asset. Start cultivating it today. Let's also talk about the real estate market. How will AI affect property values and investment opportunities by 2026? The impact will be nuanced. The rise of remote work, accelerated by AI-powered collaboration tools, will continue to decouple living location from work location for many professions. This means we could see continued growth in smaller cities and suburban areas that offer a higher quality of life for a lower cost. People will prioritize things like community, green space, and access to good schools over proximity to a downtown office. As an investor, look for markets with growing populations, strong local economies independent of a single industry, and good infrastructure. Another angle is smart homes. Properties equipped with integrated AI systems for energy management, security, and convenience will likely command a premium. For homeowners, investing in these smart upgrades could be a way to increase your property's value. For renters, these features will become an expected amenity. The key takeaway for real estate is to think about how AI changes human behavior. Where will people want to live when their job isn't tied to a specific building? Answering that question will point you toward the best real estate opportunities of the near future. Finally, let's tie this all together with the most important element: your mindset. Navigating a period of rapid change can be intimidating. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or anxious about the future. But the most critical part of future-proofing your wealth is adopting a mindset of adaptability, curiosity, and proactive optimism. See this change not as a threat, but as an unprecedented wave of opportunity. Be curious. Read about new AI developments. Play with new AI tools. Understand what they can and can't do. Stay informed. This knowledge will replace fear with confidence. Be proactive. Don't wait for things to happen to you. Start that online course. Make that first small investment in an AI-focused ETF. Write that first blog post. Small, consistent actions build incredible momentum over time, and be optimistic. History has shown that technological revolutions, while disruptive, ultimately lead to higher standards of living and new possibilities. The AI revolution will be no different. The future of wealth isn't about having a crystal ball. It's about building a robust, adaptable, and diversified financial life that can withstand and capitalize on change. So, what have we learned? The AI-driven economy of 2026 is coming, and it's full of opportunities for those who are prepared. We've talked about future-proofing your skills through lifelong learning, investing strategically in the infrastructure and application of AI, building your personal brand to create new income streams, understanding the shifts in the real estate market, and most importantly, cultivating a proactive and optimistic mindset. The future is not something that happens to us. It's something we create through the choices we make today. The journey to financial security in the age of AI starts now. Start small, stay consistent, and remain curious. You have the power to build a prosperous future for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this has given you a clear and actionable roadmap for the years ahead. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is one step you're going to take this week to start future-proofing your wealth? Let's continue the conversation. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.